Welcome to the Daily Devo. Today we are talking about a new heart. Today we're going to look at a pretty incredible promise. It's the promise of a new heart. Let's listen to it in today's verse in Ezekiel 36:26. Here's what it says. God says, "I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. I will remove from you your heart of stone, and I will give you a heart of flesh. And I will put my spirit in you and move you to follow my decrees and be careful to keep my laws." God is talking about a promise here, and he's promising that he can take a heart of stone and he can replace it with something new, with a heart of flesh. That is good news for you and I who are listening today. Do you know why? It's good news because maybe for you, there are some things that you feel like you will never escape. You will never get rid of. You will never be different. Is it your anger? Is it your lust? Is it the way that you crave that person's attention? Or maybe that story from the past that's on repeat in your life? I don't know what it is. Maybe it's your heart of indifference towards your spouse, and it's really difficult to have empathy or understanding for their struggle because it's so different than what you struggle with. Here's the good news. God says, I can give you a new heart. Because the truth of the matter is the Christian faith that all of humanity, we are really bad at solving our own hearts, aren't we? We cannot change all of our habits on our own. We can't even make everything great in our life on our own. But the good news is we have a Savior who specializes in hearts. And so the question is will you let God give you a new heart? Whatever it is that has your attention, wherever it is that you feel stuck, God can put a new heart in you that craves him and craves to follow his ways, and he will help you. So let's not strive on our own. Let's not just sit back and say, it is what it is. This is the way that things are. Today, let's lean in and say, God, I want your help. I need a new heart to care, a new heart to stop caring about things that do not delight your heart. So let's follow God. He will give you a new heart. And he wants to. Just ask him today, God, here's my heart. Would you make it into something that pleases you and follows you with your help? Thanks for coming.